Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, press it again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on the settings icon to enter the settings. In settings, look for the option called display and brightness, and once you find it, tap on it of course. And here by default the automatic brightness will be enabled. And if you want the brightness to stay at the level you set it to, you will need to disable the auto brightness, and then you can tap on the brightness option. And now you can adjust the brightness by using the crown or by swiping on the slider. And once you're done adjusting the brightness, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. You can also check let's check the quick panel, and there is no brightness icon here. Okay, because on some watches there is like a brightness icon here and you can tap on it to change the brightness, but on this one there's none like that. Yeah, so the only way to do it is to go to the settings. Okay, and that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.